Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress on your computer system, how you can host your own version of WordPress on your computer. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using a free download of WordPress and a local web server called XAMPP. I've done a tutorial on how you can install XAMPP on your system and how you can use it. So today I will show you how to host your own WordPress blog on your own system using XAMPP web server. First of all, you need to open your browser and download WordPress. Just Google it, WordPress download. Okay. Alright, so you go to your the website and you download WordPress, the latest version 4.1.1, which is just 6.4 megabytes. Right, I have downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again. Now, next thing I need to do, I need to start my XAMPP Apache server right here. So I'll open it. And I've told you before, you need to ensure no other application on your system is using the ports 443 and 80, which is for the Apache web server. I use Skype, but I have disabled my Skype. If Skype were on, I won't be able to start my Apache server. So I've started the server and I will start my MySQL because you're going to need the database before you can install WordPress. Okay, now that we've done it, I'm going to have to create a database in MySQL. So I'll go to admin. Alright, now I'm going to create the database that I'm going to use for my WordPress. Now under users, I'll just create a new user here. Username, I'll name it username WordPress. My host, localhost. Then you generate a password. I'll leave my password also as WordPress. Then you type it WordPress. Alright. Then database for users. So I'm going to select the box, create database with same name and grant of privileges. Okay, and also grant of privileges on wildcard name, which is not relevant, but let me still check it. Now under global privileges, I'm going to give my user all the rights to this table, to the database of WordPress. So I select global privileges, check all, and I just click go. Alright, so I have a user here, WordPress, and under my database here, I have a database created as WordPress with no table. So once we've done that, you just need to remember the parameters that you set, your database name, your database username, and your password. Now, I will go to where my WordPress, right, this is it, my WordPress folder. These are all the content. So I'll copy this folder and go to my XAMPP Apache, and I'll go to Explorer. Alright, then I'll come to htdocs here and I'll paste my WordPress folder here. Okay, it's just copying, so you have to wait a while. Okay, so now all you need to do is open the WordPress folder, then come to this file wp-config-sample. So you have to open this file to edit it. So I will edit it. Let me increase it. All right. Now you scroll down and you will see where you have to define your database name. So I'll remove this. It also tells you database name here, so you know that it is here you're supposed to put your database name. So I changed that to WordPress, the name of my database. Alright. Then DB user. So I'll come here, my DB username too is also WordPress. Alright. Then you specify your database password here, password underscore here. So I put my password, which is also WordPress. Okay. Then DB host. which is localhost as we set there. Right. So now we've done that, you just have to cross check that you've put the correct thing. So let's start again. What DB name, database name, WordPress, my SQL database username, which is also WordPress, my SQL password, WordPress, and the database host, which is localhost. So after that, you just click save. All right, now I've saved it. Let me open it again and confirm. Okay, WordPress, and WordPress and localhost. All right, so you close that. Now after that, all you need to do now is go to your web browser, type in localhost, right, /WordPress / okay, it's already there, /WP admin / install.php. So you select that. All right, and it takes you to your WordPress setup config. All right, so you select the language you want to use. I'm selecting English, so continue. All right, so welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, we need some information on the database. You will need to know the following items before proceeding: database name, database username, database password, database host, table prefix. All right, so all right, under here it tells you we are going to use this information to create a WP config.php file. If for any reason this automatic file creation doesn't work, don't worry. All this does is fill in the database information to a configuration file. You may also simply open WP config-sample.php. That's what we just edited now in a text editor. Fill in your information and save it as wp-config.php. So what it's actually telling us that we should rename this file wp-config-sample to just wp-config. So I'll remove the sample and I'll leave it there like that, right? Okay, so wp-config.php. right? So let's go. Okay, I wasn't meant to change that yet. Sample. Alright, so let's leave that. Right, set. Alright, fine. So it actually still needed the wp config-sample. Alright, so now I'll select my database name, which is WordPress, then my username, which is WordPress, my password, which is WordPress, and my database host, localhost. So submit. Alright, Sparky, you made it through this part of the installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you're ready, time now to run the installation. So click run the install, and we're here. Now, information needed: my site title, Chude TV, my username, Chude TV _admin, and password, Chude TV and Chude TV. Very weak. So Chude TV1 and Chude TV1. And it needs my email address, which is admin@chudetv.com. Right, so install WordPress. Alright, so it's installing, so it's going to take a while. Alright, so success, WordPress has been installed. Alright, my username and my password, so all I need to do is log in. Alright, so taking me to the WordPress login, so ChudeTV _admin and my password ChudeTV1. So I just need to log in. Alright, so welcome to my WordPress dashboard of my site, which is hosted on my own computer system. Alright, so Let me visit my site and see what it looks like. Alright, hello world. So that's how you can install WordPress and host it on your computer system. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Kindly like my video and share. Thank you.